Hello, in this video I will show you the location of the battery on Dodge Journey. This is the 2.4 liter petrol engine, but location of the battery is the same for all engines. The location of the battery on this car is here on the left side behind the wheel arch liner. So in order to get access to the battery, first we're going to remove the front left wheel and then we're going to remove the bolts holding the wheel arch liner. Once we remove the bolts holding the wheel arch liner, then we're going to put it to the side. We're just going to remove part of it, not the whole thing, and then we'll get access to the battery. And here's the battery right there. We can see the make of the battery is Varta and it's 60AH. To remove the battery we need to disconnect the positive and the negative terminal and then we can take it out. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.